Okay, so this is the list persist app. As you can see, it has the current date and time right here, and it also has the number of visits as well. You can have the list of words if you press the plus button, it'll add a list of words. Then you can click on the word, and then you can get the definition. You might get the definition if we add that later on, but you can get the pronunciation if you want to. You go back, you can clear the whole list if you want to, and then keep adding. So if you close this app with this button, and then you hit the app again, you can see that it updated the time, the visit, and it also updated the time up here. So I'll close it again, open it again, and you can see it went up one, and then this one also changed the time as well. So close it again, do this, and yeah, it goes up one, and then the date and time goes up as well.